Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Nuzhat Wasim. I hope you're all doing very good. So today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. So many of you did send me a question on my Facebook, on my Instagram to film a video on how to apply false lashes. So usually what I do is I apply my false lashes off the camera because I always keep my mirror very close to me and apply my false lashes. So that's the reason I was not able to show you how to apply the false lashes. So this video I will show you all the do's and don'ts of how to apply false lashes, and if you're a beginner, I hope this video would be useful. And to be very honest, it really took a lot of time for me as well, so to nail my perfect lashes. So it's all trial and error, and end of the day, if you practice, you can make it perfect. So let's move on to the video and stay tuned. So things you need for lashes is, the first one is the false lashes. So I'm gonna use the Primer Lash Express 100% mink hair. So I'm going to use this lashes today, and this one is an old pair of lashes, but I will tell you how to use what to do with a new pair of lashes as well. And the second thing is the normal tweezer, like eyebrow tweezer, normal one, and the third one would be the duo lash glue and a earbud. So these are the things you would need. That's it. So guys, the first thing you need to do when you buy a pair of lashes is you need to cut it down according to your eye size. So measure your eyes and cut it down accordingly. So the shorter one goes to your inner corner and the longer one goes to your outer corner. So if you think your false lashes a little bit bigger in size, you have to cut it down on the outer corner, not on the inner corner. So this is very important step, the first step to do when you buy a pair of lashes. One mistake that you can do is, so some people do think that they don't require a lash glue to stick your lashes on, because if you see, it comes like this, it is stuck on the package. So some people think that they don't require lash glue, but no guys, you have to use a lash glue to stick your lashes. So if you buy certain brands like Ardell, Eyelure, they do come with a lash glue with the packaging, so you can use that lash glue as well. So today I'm going to use the duo lash glue. So this is one of my favorite lash glues because it helps my lashes stick for the whole day. So I took a little bit of lash glue on back of my hand, and I'm going to apply with the help of the earbud. So I'm applying on the lash band. So always make sure to apply a little bit extra on the corners just to have that grip. So the most common mistake you can do is, applying the lashes immediately after you have applied the lash glue. So what you need to do is you have to wait at least 15-20 seconds after you have applied, because that, if you apply it immediately, it is very wet and it can become slippery. So you have to wait until 15 to 20 seconds, dry it out a little bit, so, and then you have to apply. So now I'm going to stick my lashes onto my original lashes. So I'm just going to place my lash in the middle, not anywhere on the sides. I'm just going to place it in the middle and just tucking it inside on the corners. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a thin brush, possibly a eyeliner brush, which is very thin handle, and I'm going to press it on the inner corner and the outer corner, just making sure it's really tight and fixed. Now what I'm going to do is, I can see some white glue here on the corner. I'll take a little bit of eyeliner now, any eyeliner, gel liner or the liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to apply it on top of the white glue which is visible. So now if you see, my lashes are now stuck perfectly onto my eyes. So yeah, so what I did is I little bit topped it up with my black eyeliner, so wherever a little bit glue was visible. So now it's all perfect. So guys, one thing I forgot to tell you in the beginning is that you have to have your mascara on before you apply your false lashes, because when you apply your mascara after your lashes, it might become a bit clumpy. So to avoid that, you have to have your mascara before you apply your lashes. So this is one tip. So guys, there are chances that your eyelash might lift from your lash line. In that case, especially from your inner corners, in that case, just remove your lash from your eyelid and just redo it again. You cannot do the glue touch up, especially on the inner corner, because it's going to ruin your eyeshadow and it's definitely going to get into your eyes and it's definitely going to ruin it. So make sure you have to remove the whole lash and redo it again. I know this sounds a bit tedious, but this is how it is. So this is the way to apply your false lashes, and I'm sure I have explained in detail step by step right from the beginning till the end. So if you all like my video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye.